my eardrums.
So today we got Jason's old 1J R31 in for a service. Service look over, just mainly just check it over for the next drift event really. Found a few things wrong with it. Found the fuel lines are cracked, they're not actually the 85 rated fuel lines. You see, I need a better camera. See, that's cracked pretty bad. It's cracking all along here. Yeah, so I've got to replace them to the tank here. Let me get a torch. And the gearbox mount bolt's about to fall out. So got to pull the exhaust off. Don't know who did this, but yeah. Yeah, so got to pull them off to tighten that mount. As well as there is a leak from the dump pipe at the very top there, so I'm going to pull that off and weld that up. I might try set up the camera, film it, but see what happens. Bit of a water leak from up here, from that good old block off right there. Yeah. No fan belt either, so just ordered one of them, hopefully be here soon. So she got a bit of an oil leak from that oil drain. Yeah, do a bolt check and get it ready for the next event. So, found where the water leak was coming from, as I suspected. That little bar there had this thing blocking it, and yeah, bit of a hole there. I think there's two of them. Not about to crack anyway. Yes, I think we got more of these, and I'll try to find a better hose clamp, because that's probably why it cracked. Snap. Got it off. As you can see, well, focus. Yeah, does not look good. Goes all the way around there, all the way around there, and it's cracked before. You can see someone's tried to repair it with a MIG. But yeah, this is what happens when you fuse your exhaust. Need to add filler to get a bit more strength there. But yeah, I would do it all, but you know, it's gonna take too long, and Jason doesn't want me to do it, so don't care. I just need to sharpen my tungsten. Oh, no, I can't even see. But this is all I got to sharpen it, so should be right. Got it all welded up. That's a bit how you going. Not the prettiest, but we're still using the standard cup to come with the TIG. So definitely need to get something better. But now we'll throw it back on. No more exhaust leaks, unless these crack, which they probably will, because it's also got no brace or flexi joint. But maybe one day we'll do his whole new exhaust for him and make it good. But yeah, look at him over there, always on his phone, doing back all.
Danny just brought in the fresh beanies and hats, the new style. We've still got the OG hats, but these are the new ones. They're sick, and they got grey bottom, not like the ones I'm wearing, if you can see. Green bolt, and this one's dirty as hell. But yeah, still got the OG style, but the new ones are sick. It says keep a Reet and Jap underneath with the retro style sunrise thing.
The black beanie Cam's wearing.
Oh, Cam, new model, repping it. Cam LZ, repping that shit. Yeah, no, that's sick.
You're going to show the stickers as well?
Yeah. Battle's repping the hat too now. Yeah. Okay. Alright, show us stickers.
Alright. Pink.
Sexy. Mad
So
retro
good.
themes.
Yep. The
All the
blue.
fluoros.
Can you see the other ones?
Okay. Fluoro yellow.
So good.
Fluoro red or orange? Yeah, probably fluoro red more.
Yeah.
Green, violet, purple. Now we've got some Chain Gang stickers for the shop too,
Yeah.
little ones.
They're just the white
And
ones.
then just the OG white.
See.
So gangster.
So good.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Look at a lot. Don't care.
Hang it. Oh. Cold start hates it. On this thing, which is all running a fair bit nicer now. A couple of things checked: exhaust leaks fixed and oil changed. It was overheating a bit, so found a little water leak. Can't fix that. We checked, had it running for a bit, and it was all sweet, sounding much nicer. But yeah, quick rundown on this thing. It's got a custom hypergear ATR 43, I'm pretty sure it is. ATR 43 SS, I think it's called. He's actually made this one custom for me. It's actually got to handle the abuse and response, and it's got journal bearing and ball bearing, which is pretty gangster. It's got a billet intake wheel. This thing is hectic responsive for a non-VVTi. It makes about 350 real kilowatt. Got the Turbo Smart 50mm screamer. Pretty much 2 solid pipes to the front mount and around to the forward facing, so an eBay spec. It does the job well. It's got a Koyo triple pass rad. It does have like a mad water squirter system to keep 1J cool. It's got fans even cooling the intercooler. It's a bonus. It's got oil cooler, just all those braided lines. That's the power steering reservoir. Nice catch cam mounted there, swirl pipe, LS coil packs. It's all nice wiring done by Barney. What else has she got? She's got GDR gearbox, Direct Clutch Industries twin plate with one cushion plate in there, one solid. So yeah, the GDR gearbox cut and shut by JDI, transfer case delete and bell housing to suit 1J, R32 GDR that is, gearbox. The old Nardi special wheel, nothing but the best. Yeah, bucket seats, OMP, 6-point harnesses, beach towel. It's got my sick gauges. I don't think that was actually plugged in at the moment, but that's the after rad digital temp gauge and aftermarket fuel. It's got all Defi gauges. I'll see if I can go around and show. This is so MRC Performance did this. It's actually a nice big reservoir for the water squirter system with a powerful pump all wired in, and yes, I think it's about a 10 or 20 litre water reservoir, so you can literally have it cranking, squirting the radiator, keeping your car cool for a whole session. Battery mounted there, full I think it's 6-point roll cage with diff bracing, which is cool. It's got the gangster NRC wing that he did, wrapped up wrap over my OG gangster blue, which you can still sort of see there. New upgrade Can Gang sticker, Key Barista Group Horse, tuned by Dr. Drift, wrapped up. What else? She could do with a good clean, that's for sure. It's got Kawamis on the rear, and Ray's 57 DER or something. I can't remember what they're called. They're cool wheels. What else has this thing got? That's pretty much it. It's pretty basic, but it does the job well. It's got 264 cams, adjustable cam gears. This thing is it's a good setup. It did me well. Oh yeah, shock works actually all around. I almost forgot. Yeah, sick little setup. So today, on this fine morning, me and Backstore going to pick up a new project, sick new project. It's actually funny timing with the cars we've got in the shop at the moment. Got my nice new hat on. Yeah, I can't really say too much now. We'll go get it first and then we can do a bit of a rundown on it. But basically, this new car is going to be a pretty intense project, which should be sick. Just heading down to the factory now quickly to meet our electrician to finish wiring up the compressor. Finally have the compressor going so we can run the tire machine, and what else, and a few extra lights just because it's a bit dark. So yeah, so I'm gonna head down there now and then we'll shoot off to pick up this new car. No, we just got the compressor. Hang on a second, I'll just explain what ghetto-ness just happened. We took out the like the water drain plug thing on the bottom because it had a little bit in there, and we just like it was only dripping out a little bit, and like, we'll turn it on and see what happens. And we turned it on for a second, nothing was happening. All of a sudden, badash! It exploded out. So it's calmed down, it got the air pressure out of it. We're going to try a little bit again, see if it does it again. Go for it, Sonny. You want to turn it up? Yeah, tuck it up. I think it got everything out, that's for sure. Nasty stanks. Rusty shit, but yeah, we definitely got it all out, that's for sure. So, funnily enough, here is the new build. What do you know? Another 31 wagon. What are the chances? Who would have thought? And it just so happens to be that Rory's, or my old wagon, is in the shop at the moment. Has nothing to do with one another. I already planned on, I've always wanted to build another one, just a full proper build, next level one. Let me change this camera. Yeah, so basically, yeah, the only reason I sold the original wagon is because I'd basically used it all up. If I drove it the same as I was at that time for much longer, everything would have fallen to pieces, and it needed a lot of money spent on it. Rewiring, mounts broken, this and that, body rough. Roy spent a fair bit of money to get the car good, but it's pretty much perfect for him. The level he's at, and up until him competing, it's a good platform for him, but for me it was pretty much spent up. So had a lot of good parts, yes, but the car itself, yeah, I was pretty much done with it. But now, yeah, I decided to do a proper build, so some exciting plans for this one. I may as well tell you now, because there's no secret. I want to go Barra in this one, so no 1J, 2J. Going to go the old Aussie Barra, so Aussie 31, Aussie Barra. Yeah, like sequential, so I might go the yeah, I will go through plans later, but basically it's going to get fully stripped down. I'm actually going to get this thing club reg as is, because it's got the old RB30 manual in it already, and get it club regged, and while I turbo the Ranger, this will be my runaround, which will be funny. And then we'll basically, when the Ranger's done, pull this thing apart and begin the build. Probably start with the cage and yeah, full interior out, pull everything off, get the motor, everything together, turbo, manifold, sit it in there, get the mounts all done. Pretty much, yeah, entire build. I want to go all out on this one, because the 31 was extremely competitive, just how I had it set up. So I'm pretty much going to work off that, but just better parts all around, stronger parts, yeah, better steering setup. Just now that I know how to, yeah, now with the knowledge I've got with building that one, and other cars putting that into this thing. It's going to be one competitive beast. So yeah, look forward to that. Let's get this thing off the trailer. Alright, just got the bad boy running. She wasn't running down there. It has a horrid red paint job in the bay. The old RBT. She's not sounding the healthiest. Oh hell. Oh hell. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Got mad exhaust leak coming out everywhere. I don't know what's going on here. Unless it's low on oil or something. Making nasty noises. So she's running. Oh yeah. Probably got shat fuel, shat oil. Beast. It's not really smoky, a little bit of smoke at the start. No idea what that was. Oh, it could be the... Who doesn't know? Yeah, it's got no power steering. That's one of the noises. And the rest might be the water pump or that old man and sounds like But she's running. Bonus. Try and pull it off. Interior's full grandma. It's all there. Gangster seats. Retro AF. Stock steering wheel. It's a twist. Yeah, mad twists. What a beast. Alright, got some power steering fluid in it. Picked up a little leak here just with a copper washer. And what else? Yeah, just chucked some water in it. Water was low. It's already sounding 1,000 times better. Yellow wiring and the thermo fans have been done here. After a while, I have to do a switch or something just to get me around. And so I've still got the management sleep on that. Those extractors. Might even put an old turbo manifold on this and just do a ghetto turbo setup just for the time being, so I can enjoy the run around. But let's pull this thing up the trailer. She's off the trailer. What a beast. That's nasty. Yeah, that's enough of that. More work to do on that. No. Beast.